How to turn off read receipts on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off read receipts on your iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone. And once you have opened the settings, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on apps. Now here, once you are in the app section, simply scroll down and tap on messages. Now here in this section, simply look for the option labeled as send read receipts. And once you have located that option, simply toggle it off. And now when you read someone iMessages, they won't get a notification that you have seen it, and it will be a total privacy. And that's it. That's how you can turn off read receipts on iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.